Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix iPad not charging. Let's get started. First is check your charging accessories. Use the original Apple cable and charger. Inspect for damage, then try a different cable or charger to see if it works. Using non-certified accessories can cause charging issues. Next is clean the charging port. Turn off your iPad, then use a soft brush or toothpick to remove dust or debris from the Lightning or USB-C port. Avoid using water or metal objects. Next is force restart iPad. iPad with home button. Hold home plus power button until Apple logo appears. And iPad with Face ID, press volume up, then volume down, then hold power button and until Apple logo appears. Sometimes a frozen iPad prevents charging recognition. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.